I don't remember it being terribly precarious of a walk. You had to watch out for limbs every now and then, but not rocky. It's more sandy here. 7 days in a row I've fished.
Bet your wife's real happy.
Oh, she don't mind. There we go. Fish on. And we got a fish already, folks.
Looking nice and brown.
No, beautiful brook. I'm telling, there were some nice brook trout in here. Easy, buddy.
That's gotta be a 12.
This is a nice brook trout. He's a little on the skinny side. Whoa, come back here, you. Come back here, you. It goes. 11 and a half. Easy. Come on, I want to get your picture, buddy. Get him in the sun. Yeah, pretty. Real orangey. There's more of them in that little hole there too. Trying to figure out who died. Hey,
I took it as I was lifting it out of the water.
Trying to figure out who died. That's a brook too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one. That's a real nice brook.
And he hit it right at my feet. I was lifting it out of the water and he snatched it. Pull it up.
I'll try silver and white. That's a real nice one.
Yeah, another fat one.
Yeah.
Look at that guy. Light colors now.
Cool, cool.
Shit all over me too. Oh, there goes my beer.
That'll still be okay.
Yeah, that's okay. It was almost gone.
A little artesian water in it.
Swing, buddy.
Yes. Look at that beast. That we got to get measured. That is a hell of a brook trout.
That's brown.
Oh, is it brown?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, that was a brook trout. Still, a nice brown.
Yeah. He came twice too. He was right under this log, right in front of me, 5 feet in front of me.
Oop.
Boy, he's hooked good too.
Never coming off. Looks like he's about 15 and a half.
14, I guess. Just feisty too. Yeah, right about 14.
14, nice.
Nice looking fish though.
Nice, nice, nice. Way to go.
You, I will come back for in May. Oh, I can't wait till I can eat trout, man. 2 more weeks in Minnesota.
That's what you got left?
Yeah, I think it's April 10th or 11th, whatever. Not this coming weekend, but the next one. Second weekend in April is open.
Here's a fish.
A little brook trout.
Another little brook trout.
Oh, look at that's a little brook trout.
Oh no, little brown.
Oh, is it?
Little brown. Yep, little brown.
Pretty sure that's a flock of birds down by the...
Tiny brown.
Colors on that guy.
Pretty.
That's probably about 9. Is it 10 inches? Oops.
11 is the hilt.
11 is the hilt. God damn you. You little bastard. So that's probably what, 10?
Yep, 10 and a half.
Hold still so I can put you back. You didn't even get, I got him on the outside of the mouth. Pretty colors, man.
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow. Oh, I love me some brook trout.
Nice.
Another nice nice brook trout.
Yeah.
Oh no. He's getting fucked.
That's not too bad. No gills. Let's see, you got issues though.
When you go upstream a ways. There we go. Look at that brook trout.
Wow.
I knew there was somebody in that log jam. Holy shit. Hold still, fuckface.
Wow. That is a nice brook trout.
12
and a quarter, yeah. Nice.
Hook jaw on that fucker.
Nice. Let's see if there's another one back here.
You are fucking.
Yeah, beauty.
Look at that hook.
Beauty.
Alright, go home.
Look at that guy. Cute little brook trout.
Oh man.
Yeah,
You didn't catch the.
that don't look good. Might have been September.
There we go. There's brown.
Yeah, nice one. Yeah, nice fat sucker. Holy cow.
Hold still. Ooh, just barely got him right at the tip of the nose. He was right between those two logs on the far two. That was a nice fat one. It's 13 and a half.
Yeah, nice.
The
Beauty.
spots on that thing.
Yeah, beauty.
Starting to lighten up though. They've lost their kind of winter colors.
There you go. Nice.
Skinny brook trout.
Nice one. 8, 9, something like that. Here we go.
Ooh, that's a nice one. I just missed one too. You may have net him. Hey, fucker, here.
Perfect.
That's a fat one. Right into the teeth of the
fucking
frable.
Killing me. Whoa, look, watch your face. Watch your face. Oh, there's a nice one. Yeah. Fat. Holy cow.
Look at that bastard.
Sure, we're on. Get my one fish in the last fucking 2 hours.
Hey, man.
Shebs has been cleaning up on brook trout. And several nice browns. 13 and a half. Look at how fat that son of a bitch
Jesus
is.
Christ.
I mean, the belly comes down in my fingers. I caught
Yeah,
one.
I
Caught one in the trim bell. It was so fat. It was only about 10 inches, but literally, I could only hold him by the belly. That's how big this son of a bitch was.
There's certainly a lot of sticks. There we go.
Hot one.
It's a nice brook.
Yeah. Get in there.
Long one.
Nice brook trout.
12.
Same fish. Bit once and bit again.
That's how you can tell it's a brook trout.
This brook trout goes.
It's gotta be a 12 or a 13 even.
Doesn't give me any trouble. 11 and a half.
Nice looking fish. Alright, now my turn to schneid here. There.
Excellent. Nice one.
Like a fat 12.
Oh yeah.
That's a big brook.
Nice brook. Very nice brook trout. Come here, you. Stop being a pain in the ass. Stop being a pain in the ass.
You want to talk about pain in the ass? You came and took me out of my home.
Here we go.
Nice brown. I'd offer to Frable that fucker. Another nice fat one.
Yeah. You are not getting off.
Chunky, what, 13 or so?
12, 13, something like that.
13 now. Is that on the right side?
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say 12 and a half maybe. 12 and a half on the dot, man. Nice fat fish though.
They've all been like that today.
Oh.
Came
You
all
see
the
that?
way to your feet?
No, he was just on there swimming with it. Yeah, like kind of about that size
Hey,
too.
there's a tiny brown. Haven't seen one of those in a while.
That was so funny, he was just letting me pull him in. Dumbass.
How did you get all three of those hooks, little buddy?
There he goes.
Shit on my hands, though. Same spot. Little brook trout. I knew there couldn't be no fish in there. You say they had to be big.
Look at this, one after
better brook.
another. Look at this, one after another. Holy shit. It's going legendary on us. Nice, pretty brook.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, fuck me up.
He hit that little gill deformity.
Yep. Oh.
Brown.
Two. Not seeing many. Sweet.
Look at this fatty.
He's just over there too. Oh yeah, nice.
He was under the log in the very back corner back there.
Tongue.
Yeah. Actually didn't gill him, but it was all the way
Good.
back there.
Another, oops, looks like a gone. Nice, another 13er though, something like that. Nice. There you go.
Strike two.
Nice. Nice brook trout.
Always inhale these.
There's a fish. There's a brown trout. Real yellow-bellied brown trout.
Yeah.
Super yellow-bellied.
Nice.
Bastard. Super yellow-bellied brown trout.
Yeah.
Hey, all right, nice,
I knew I had to get
nice
way back.
brown. Nice brown.
Another fat one.
Take about 12 incher.
Just a nose over.
Yeah, 12 1/4. Nice. Very nice.